feeling very orange today. And you want to know why? Because I went out today and filmed a lot of Orange Line trains. And why am I filming a whole bunch of them, you ask? It's because, well, I had a revelation last night. I'm going to college in 3 days, and I had to go out at least one of these 3 days and go film something, in which that day was today. And, well, I made a list of, like, the highest priority things to do and the lowest priority things to do. And the one thing that was the highest on the list was every single Orange Line train door chime, whatever the fuck the project is called. That was the highest on the list, and so I figured I might as well just go out today and get as much as I possibly can, since, well, it takes an extreme amount of dedication in order to get this project done. And I kid you not, I went out today and filmed for 5 hours. And I'm not even close to being finished with this project. I would say I'm about maybe halfway, but today was very productive nonetheless. And it comes out that this video, without the intro and everything else, is 7 minutes and 52 seconds in length. This was an extreme amount of dedication to do this project, and my god, I am proud of myself for doing this, and you guys should be proud of me too. And if you are proud of me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It would really help me out, and I'd really appreciate it. And also go ahead and ring that bell thing, flick it for me, so that you get post notifications for whenever I post. Also leave a comment and join my Discord server down in the description below. And without further ado, here is almost 8 minutes worth of Orange Line door chimes. This might drive you insane. It drove me insane editing it, and I really hope you guys enjoy. Anyway, I'll see you guys in my new dorm room with next time I upload. Bye!